Can you sing a little more of your song? Can you sing more of your song? Hello? Gentle. Hi, Augie. This is October 2015. You are very helpful. Oh, can you put it in the drawer? Oops, I don't think it'll close. In the drawer. There you go. Ah, how helpful. You got an apple?